Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 26 of my November challenge, the accountability I'm doing to keep track of everything I eat on the Weight Watchers plan for the month of November. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day, be sure to watch this video. Can you believe it? I ran out of iced coffee, so I'm having a cup of vanilla chai tea. I got this the other day. I wanted to try it. I put a little half a teaspoon of sweetener in it, and that is a really good cup of tea. It is 0 points. That's the Bigelow Vanilla Chai. So that's how I'm starting off my day today. No iced coffee. So this morning's breakfast, I'm having 2 fried eggs for 0 points. I have 2 points worth of frozen hash brown potatoes with half a piece of cheese on it. So that is 3 points, and then 2 points for the bacon. So this breakfast is 5 points. I stopped at Walmart. I wanted to make something for dinner tonight, and I didn't have it, so I went up to Walmart. I bought some of this Jewish rye bread. This is Hearth Baked. It's 2 points for 1 slice, 3 points for 2 slices. I got some sweet corn because I felt like having some. I also bought a cucumber, an English cucumber to cut up. I got some of these La Banderita Carb Counter tortillas. They are 1 point each. Frozen vegetables. I got peas and carrots, California style vegetable mix, a bag of mixed vegetables, and a bag of cut green beans. I also got some light butter. I can't believe it's not butter. Some tea bags because my husband wanted them. This is my favorite sugar-free syrup. It's Maple Grove. It is 0 points for 2 or 3, I think, tablespoons. They had marked down some beef, and this is why I went up there. I wanted to get some of this 96% lean ground beef, and they actually had it marked down for that. And I bought another package because it was on sale. Gotta save money when you can. I also got a steak, a top sirloin steak. You don't have to eat chicken all the time on Weight Watchers. You can portion out beef. And another good deal, they marked down their chicken breasts. Look at the price on them, half off. And I got 2 packs of those, so I'll throw those in the freezer. I got some stock coffee. I ran out today, so I got a couple of those. I have some fries here. I'm going to put them in the air fryer. They are 5 points for 3 ounces, and I'm making some patty melt sandwiches for dinner with the fries and the sweet corn. And I got a pack of these 100-calorie light English muffins. They are 2 points a piece. A butternut squash. They're very good baked with some brown sugar Splenda on them and some spray butter. And then I got a couple packs of paper plates. So that is my Walmart haul today. Okay, this is going to be my lunch today. It's the end of the Thanksgiving leftovers. I have some Waldorf salad. That's 2 points. And I have some turkey mix of dark and white meat over some rice. And that is going to be 5 points for that. I just have a half a cup of rice. Let's say 6 for the gravy. So that is my lunch today. It is 8 points. Thanksgiving's officially over. When I'm mixing up my ground beef for burgers, I season it with some spices, and I also add Worcestershire sauce, about a teaspoon. It is really good. It flavors the meat. 3 burgers with the onions. 2 are for my husband, and I'm having 1. So each burger is 5 ounces pre-cooking. Okay, so here's my dinner for tonight. The burger meat is 4 points for the 5.5 ounces uncooked. So after cooking, it is 4 points. Then I have the grilled onions for 0. I have a piece of deluxe American Deli Deluxe American cheese for 2 points, and then 3 points for the 2 pieces of rye bread. So that is my patty melt sandwich. And then I have 5 points worth of Rally's fries. So that is my burger and fries. And then I'm having an ear of corn with some butter spray on it. So that is my dinner tonight. And it's 14 points. I'm having a peppermint mocha iced coffee as a little bit of a pick-me-up while I'm doing some Christmas decorating. For a snack, I'm going to have one of these caramel nut elevation bars I bought at Aldi's. This is what it is. They are 4 points each, and that's going to be end my day. So that's going to be the end of day 26 of my November accountability challenge. I ended the day using 31 Weight Watcher points. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.